My name is Sidney F.C.R. and welcome to another review video. In this video of today we're going to take a close look on this concept jersey for Arsenal for next season 2023-2024. It's the expected home jersey. It's the player version. I bought it from newsoccer.com. Check the link in the description down below. Before we check this one out, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have way more awesome videos on the way. So now, let's have a closer look. Expected Arsenal FC home jersey for next season. Let me know what you guys think. I really like this one. It's a really great design, especially if they're gonna win this year's Premier League. It will be really cool to feature some gold details on the jersey. So who knows? Let's see who wins this year's Premier League. And next clip I'll show you how this jersey fits me. Once again, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.